It's that time again. You guys know what it is when I pull out this green chalkboard. Dating tips and tricks, how to showcase your personality. And once again, y'all, we got another super dusty edition. This one's pretty bad. Let's start out with Anthony, who's 45. Anthony says, I have $5,000. I need to make it $25,000 in 5 months. The woman who can help me meet that short term goal has $12,500 and a fill in the blank for life. So he's looking for a friendship, a long term relationship, and he's located in New York. He's 6'1". He does have kids, and he's an electrician. So just keep that in mind. He got $5,000. Are you ready, ladies, to be his fill in the blank for life? Okay, so this is Antonio. He's 35 from Atlanta. He says he's given this another try. Haven't really been putting myself out there since my divorce back in 2021. Honestly, unsure what I'm looking for, but would like to build something with someone one day. My last marriage left me in a bad state, both mentally as well as financially. Trying to work my way back. Want to know? Just ask. Do you want to know more? I don't know. Whew, he is just looking so forlorn. He's 5'7". He's in Georgia, and this is Antonio. He's looking as forlorn as this profile. Poor thing. Would y'all go for this? Are you going for this? It just sounds so sad. He does use punctuation, so that's good. He doesn't know what he's looking for, but he is not in a good mental or financial state. But he's on a dating app. Another really sad picture. I don't know what we could do about this, but maybe just leave it like this because people need to see how sad some of these people are so that they do not connect. He needs to work on himself, get some therapy, maybe get a self-help journal or something before getting back out there, get himself together financially and emotionally before trying to bond with somebody else in some kind of relationship. That's just going to pull some other woman down. Y'all weigh in though. Then we got the daddy, who's 39. Y'all, he says he is looking for an overweight woman of the night to support my needs and a loyal young freak to help me reach orgasm when one of my baby mamas tripping. I don't eat pork, so maybe he means swine, white women, stay away unless you thick. That's turkey meat and cabbage. I don't know what the heck he's talking about, but here's the daddy who's 39. Y'all, y'all know that this picture smells like Black and Milds. It smells like Black and Milds and socks. And his neck looking like he got the sugar diabetes. And this just looks a hot mess. And y'all see what his preferences are. And why people be typing this stuff? And why is his name the daddy? And why is he? Yeah, this is just terrible. And we're just going to go to the next one. Now let's go to Tony. He's 50. Black male in Bucks County, PA. Into ladies who love dressing up in skirts, dresses, stockings, dresses. Again, he must really like dresses. Heels, lipstick, thigh highs, knee highs, lace, nylons, ultra sheer, pantyhose. I love all shades of brown and off black stockings. I also love lipstick and looking to meet or have company. He is really into telling women how to, no, he got some kind of fetish. Let's just be real. And he's 6 feet tall. He's 50, like I said. He's in Pennsylvania, y'all. He doesn't smoke and he doesn't have kids. So let's see what Tony is looking like. Tony, who's 50, looking like his jacket is just a touch too small. One of them arms look a touch too short. Pants look a little baggy, but this is Tony. You guys let me know if you would put on some stockings and some lipstick for this man. He likes dresses so much, he put it on there twice. He likes lipstick so much, he put it on there twice. And once again, these people not putting anything about themselves, what they are into other than what the woman is. Like, what is it about him that would make you want to put on some thigh highs or knee highs? I don't know. Maybe never smoking is enough of a draw to want to connect with Tony, who's 50. I don't know if this man's going to need a nurse and a purse or what, but he certainly has a thing for stockings. You guys go ahead and weigh in on this. So we got Andrew, who's 51 right here. Things he has in common with whoever posted this is that he also has kids. All right. So all single ladies looking for a good time. Let me rephrase and be honest. Looking for Netflix and chill only. Swipe like. I'm not looking for a long-term relationship. I have 7 kids and 5 baby mothers. So if you can pay for occasional dates, drinks, and trips, I'm your guy. Excuse me, my allergies. Excuse me. Being willing to provide occasional pocket change is a plus. Oh, excuse me. Whew. I'm from Linden, Guyana, I'm sorry, and sending money home is a must. When I'm with you, my phone will never ring. If you call and I don't answer, just know. So he's 51, he has 7 kids and 5 baby mamas, and he wants you to pay for dates. Y'all. And it looks like he's posing in in like a funeral home. Oh my gosh. Why? Why are they like this? Why would anyone be drawn to this? 7 kids, 5 baby mamas. So you know he's reckless with the peen and he's light on the cash. And he's gonna make you sneeze. You see how that just activated my allergies? And I don't even have allergies, but it just activated something in me. So you guys go ahead and weigh in. Where do you think he is? Is he at his grandmama's house? Is he at his grandmama's house, or is he at church? Is he at a funeral home? I don't know. So this is just a short one. This is Kevin. Kevin reached out to somebody and sent her a message. He says, "Hi, happy holidays. How are you doing? I'm Kevin. Would you be interested in dating and living together?" You're just putting it straight out there, just like, let's just live together. Messing up my emphysema. We got a homosexual here. He looking at the camera like, girl, you know you want it. Just straight to the point. And where do they get this audacity? If we had 10% of the audacity that they have, we would go far. They just come straight out with it. They're assertive. They know how to ask for things. You got the other dude asking for dates and a little pocket change. And you got this dude looking to live with a woman. And I just hold on. But he says, he said our first getaway is gonna be the Turks and Caicos. Who's paying? Who's paying, Kevin? I don't know. But I'm sorry, girls, for the ladies that have to come in contact with these people and that send screenshots. I appreciate y'all some MVPs, because that kind of activated my allergies and my emphysema, and I'm just reading these things. So I don't know how y'all dealing with this. Anyways, y'all go ahead, chime in. Let me know what you think about these. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.